Hello amigos, namaskara from Cochin. This is the grand review of the Grand Hyatt Hotel at Bolgatty, Cochin. This hotel is been on planning for around 1 year and due to COVID and other stuff it got delayed and finally we are here. I booked the Grand Terrace suite room for around 9,000 Indian rupees where the cash price of the same room is around 30,000 Indian rupees while the base category room itself costs around 11,000 plus taxes. That price is not available now, but we have already made a video on this on our channel, and do check out the description to see how did I book for this price, and have also shared how to book this property at a very good price, free valet parking. A bit excited about this stay, so let's get inside and check out the property. We were welcomed inside the grand lobby area by one of the staffs, and my first impression was, wow, so huge, so grand, and has a lot of natural lighting and lots of space. Next up, check-in. A funny incident happened over here. We were guided to the check-in counter and the staff over there thought we were staying at the base category standard room. So once I said my last name and the booking reference number, they called in a different staff and they guided us to the globalist check-in desk, and the check-in was super smooth, and the check-in staff from the check-in desk came along with us and showed us the hotel tour as well as the room tour. There was no need to do that, but that is hospitality and that impressed me a lot. Next up, my favorite part, room tour of the Grand Terrace suite at Grand Hyatt Kochi, room number 720, located at the toppest floor of this hotel. First impression, wow. So what do we have here? A restroom, closet, and then over here we have an interconnecting room to the club category. Storage space, I guess. Some artworks, tea, coffee, water bottle, storage space, bottle opener, mini bar should be empty, yes, empty, and storage space, tea, coffee, water bottle, espresso machine. What more do we need? And over here is the storage area, more storage area for keeping your bags, iron machine, umbrella since it's Kerala, Grand Hyatt, laundry bag, laundry bag, shoe shine and slippers. Wow, just wow. And more storage spaces. Over here is the another storage space with a mirror, and over here is the bathroom. It has a shower room, and shower is A++. Lot of amenities. They have a place to sit, a jacuzzi tub. What can I say more? And over here is again a restroom, I guess. Yes, restroom, European style restroom. And next up, let's see the living room. The bathroom amenities are from June Jacobs. Next up, living room, a huge window, and we have a storage space, room controls, artworks, sofa, chair, TV, another place to sit with some good artworks, huge TV, room controls. Interesting, the TV had my name in it. Okay, the room has lots of charging ports and power options. And is the bedroom, the couch, and over here is the sea view. More on that later. What do we have here? Press these two buttons and the two curtains open up, and over there we have the door to the most beautiful thing in this room, Grand Terrace, with a beautiful view of the Kochi. A very huge terrace all for us with a beautiful view of the Kochi. There are two doors to the grand terrace. One is at the living room and next is at the bedroom. And this is how the view is. I tried making a small reel kind of stuff, but it didn't come out well. We have here sunset from the room, from the grand terrace. Beautiful view of Grand Hyatt Kochi. Next up, amenities and facilities. They have Tony and Guys salon inside, a fully operational spa, a huge separate yoga room with all the materials that is needed to do yoga. They have a huge active gym with, we have some cardio machines, treadmills, leg machines, the chest and the dumbbells. The cardio machines had Wi-Fi and YouTube, so just thought of doing cardio by seeing one of my favorite YouTube videos. And they do have a steam and a sauna room for gym and spa guests, and this was a surprise, plunge pool for gym and spa guests alone. And they even have the largest convention center in Kerala. Sneaked up inside and it was massive and grand. Next up, swimming pools. Yes, you heard it right. There are two swimming pools. One is the indoor pool, the only indoor pool in South India, and they have an outdoor pool. This is the aerial view, and here we are at the outdoor swimming pool, which is very beautiful, well located, and it is only 4 feet for adults, and they have a separate kids pool as well. And now let us check the dress changing room. It is just next to the pool and it has all the amenities that are needed, a shower room, some shampoo, soap and other stuffs. They even have an amusement ride for kids, and this is how the indoor pool looked with temperature control. Next up, the Grand Club Lounge. This is located at the 5th floor and it is only for guests who book a club room and above category rooms. It is so huge, it is so grand and it is so modern. It has so spacious. It has a sofa, a living area, a TV. It has even some books, a mini library kind of stuff, and very comfortable cushions, a boardroom, a small meeting room with a view of the Marine Drive with comfortable seatings. Talking about timings, this Grand Club Lounge is open from 11 a.m. till evening 8 p.m. and you get coffee, tea and cookies all throughout the day. But from evening 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. you get unlimited alcohol, liquor and finger food kind of food, and this is how the coffee and cookies were, with a view of the Marine Drive, Prestige Towers or the Kochi skyline. And this is how the menu was for us during our stay. These were the liquor options, beer, hot, everything available with dry fruits, veg, non-veg, finger food starters options with lot of desserts and breads, American and the liquor options. The food taste was good and the service was too good, the staffs were too good. Next up, Grand Hyatt at night time. The night view of Grand Hyatt was to the next level. It was so beautiful in the lights and the climate was also very good. So this is how the view looked. If you are staying here, do go for a walk around 10:30 p.m. or 11 o'clock at night. The view, the climate, the sea breeze, everything will elevate the experience over there. Finally, it's time to go to bed and see you all tomorrow. Good morning and namaskara from Kochi. The room looked very beautiful in the morning. It's finally time to say goodbye to this grand terrace with a beautiful view in the morning time of Kochi Harbour and Vembanad Lake. It's time for breakfast, and the complimentary morning breakfast was served at the Malabar Cafe downstairs. And since Ramzan was coming, it was all lit up. The restaurant is so grand. There are a lot of ample of seating area for the guests with lots of food options and more natural lighting. Overall, a very huge place to have morning breakfast. Hope the spread is also like that. A private area. And my favorite part as this restaurant was dining from outside with the view of the Kochi Port and Vembanad Lake on the first floor. Huge seating area outside with natural lighting and natural air and everything. Wow. Restaurant, wow, what a view. Kochi Port, Wellington Island, pool. Wow. Let us see the spread. They had lassi, milkshakes, nannari vellam, chocolate milkshake, iced tea, and many drinks to refresh ourselves. Lot of fruits, cut fruits, fresh juice is available, and those fruits, vegetables, salads, halwa, pongal, upma, kadala curry, sambar, plain idli, ragi idli, stew, vegetables, roasted potato, chicken sausage, steamed cottage cheese, waffles, pancake, toast, white bread, pav bhaji, chole masala, poha. Since we are speaking about food, let us see the other restaurants at this property. They have a Thai Soul, an authentic Thai restaurant, and the best part is they have the chefs from Thailand. Authentic Thai dishes only. The taste was very good and the price was also very decent. Next is a Colony Clubhouse and Grill, located at the top 8th floor. We went there to eat some dessert and we found out it was a bit overpriced, but still worth the view. Next up, the Lobby Cafe. They have a lot of milkshakes and fries over here. Do not miss the Pluto milkshake. Next up, activities to do indoor and outdoor. From where do I start? The view from the room would say you have a lot of activities over here at the lawn. They even have a kayaking, more on that later. They have a separate recreational area where you have lots of indoor games, board games for kids or even for adults as well. Carom, chess, Monopoly, business, darts, small cycles, whatever you name, they have everything over here. And for teens and youths, they have PlayStation 4, yes, PS4 with lots of series like WWE, FIFA, cricket, car racing, and lot of more games. They have cycling as well, a kid cycle and a kayaking boats. Price 700 plus taxes for 2 hours during sunset for in-house guests only. Not bad at all. They have a mini golf. Who plays these stuff? Table tennis, archery, and my favorite part, lawn tennis clay court. Wow, that is grand, and they even provide you a tennis rackets, balls, towels, and water bottle. Final thoughts. Well, this is my first time staying at a Hyatt property, and the name Grand Hyatt, I had some expectations about this, but once I entered in, all my expectations were all exceeded. The staff, the service, the grandness, the architecture, everything is grand and it will exceed your expectations for sure. This hotel suits for all kinds of guests, be it with your friends or family or with your kids. It suits for everyone, and I had a very good experience at this property. Thank you so much, Grand Hyatt Kochi team. And if you had already stayed or if you're planning to stay, do drop your reviews on the comment section. And that's it from this video. We'll be back with another video soon. Until then, stay safe, cheers, and bye-bye.